Hello everyone! I just wanted to pop in and show you another vintage crochet stitch I found in a 1904 Edwardian crafts magazine. So this stitch is called Zurich stitch, and it's very interesting one because it creates a super dense texture, and I thought it would be an excellent stitch for you to save for things like hot pads, coasters, and any project where you want sort of something strong and sturdy. I was using cotton yarn for the original sample, but for this tutorial I'll be working with acrylic yarn and a 3mm hook, so it's just easier for you to see on camera. Okay, so we'll start with a slip knot and just chain as many stitches as you need for this project. I'll just make a few chains here for a small sample. So here's my chain. Now we have to make one single crochet into the second chain from the hook, like this. So it's your single crochet, and this stitch is very important because you will always begin each row with this single crochet. So now we have to insert our hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop like this. Now insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up another loop like that, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook, and that is one Zurich stitch done. So let's repeat it. So into the same stitch right here, or the same chain, pull, now into the next stitch, pull up a loop, 3 loops on a hook, and pull through all 3. That's really it. You just have to keep repeating this pattern to the end of the row, and yeah, you will notice it's basically a decrease but sort of worked across the same and next stitches, right? So you always have to go like into the same stitch, because then you're gonna decrease right after that. But it's very, very easy. I think the trickiest part is to make sure you don't accidentally skip anything or your piece won't stay square, but otherwise it's like super easy. And when you reach the end of the row, you're just going to turn, chain 1, or chain 1 and turn, whichever order you prefer. Then remember, to the second chain from the hook, 1 single crochet. So you always start with 1 single crochet. And now we'll continue with Zurich stitch. So into the same stitch, we're going to insert our hook right here, pull up a loop, into the next, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, and then into the same stitch, into the next stitch, and pull. One quick tip though, if you're making hot pads or coasters, always use 100% cotton yarn, not acrylic, because cotton can handle the heat and acrylic cannot. If you enjoyed this little tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can stay connected and see more vintage finds, patterns, and crochet tips. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!